in this step of the painting. I'm going to continue working on the arms and legs, and we're going to work more on the shadow. Now I'm going to working in the clothes. At the same time, I probably just working the similar to the right side. I'm gonna working on the underarm first. I'm gonna mix with the brown, mix some brown colors and take this a little red, get a little yellow colors, and a little blue colors. Yeah, that's good. A little red. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to first working into here. Give a little bit down here. Okay. And then I'm going to make a little lighter color to soften it and also continue down here. Now this time I'm gonna use a little bigger brush. I'm gonna use this number 12. Okay, I'm gonna use this color, a little bit lighter brown color, like you can say orange color, and here you go. Now soften that, let the color merge into our side. Okay, I'm gonna use the same color and I'm gonna keep coming down on this side. Okay, now this, it form it a little bit clear. Now this actually has, it's a cylinder. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a little line. Now make a little bit darker color and a little bit blue. Okay, I'm gonna come back here, form a little line so you can see that is separated. Okay, like that. Now underneath over here has darker color too. Okay, and now I'm gonna use a little wet colors. I'm gonna take this color. Actually, it looks like a little bit purple colors. I'm gonna soften that and have the edge connecting to the arm. Okay, that's good. I'm also going to make it this a little softer first, and come here, color all the way, coming in here. Now I'm going to soften this, and I can see here a little bit lighter, so it's showing the arm is turning this way. Sometimes a very little difference, a little bit change, and create much better indication. Okay, and over here I'm gonna get a little bit purple blue colors. I'm gonna show this edge a little bit more than others. Okay, that's good, perfect. Now I'm gonna moving down to here. I'm gonna make that much darker, and see over here, be a little careful. You don't want to make everywhere has the same darkness of colors. Somewhere actually it's not that much the other places. Okay, so, and on the edge over here, now you go and give a little indication. That's just good. Now let's moving on to this area. Need a little bit warmer color in here. Now under here, you see how easy you can work in the details if you already prepare That's why the first step and the second step are the preparation for this step. Coming to this side. That's good. That's very good. Like that. It's a good indication for that. And I'm going to make this area on this side a little bit darker. Now it's the time to separate the leg from the hand. Control how much water you have in the brush. Okay, this is good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little warm red colors down there. I'm gonna get a little red color, but it's not just red, also darker too. So I'm gonna put this color there. And the same thing as I do on the left side, I do on the right side. Just here too. This. And okay. A little bit darker for this line. That's good. Now, very good. I'm gonna move on to the other side. I'm gonna working onto this arm. So first I'm gonna have a little bit fine tune the edge. And there's a line over here on the wrist. There you go. Yeah, only baby has this. And a little detail line also showing right here. Good. And then this needs a little bit darker. Give it one more. That's good. And now I come to the leg. Now I'm gonna over here. I'm gonna draw a couple lines. Need a little bit darker. Here, a little bit darker. Like that. Good. And let's see. I'm gonna get a little bit red colors for the thumb. Like this. Maybe a little suggestions on this side. A little suggestions for the that's the tricky part. If you want to make the fingernail, you don't paint the fingernail. You paint it around the fingernail. So the fingernail would be suggested pretty well. Okay. And if it's not enough, and then you can do a little lifting off. Let me see if I can lift off a little bit color in here. A little bit. That's good enough. And now I come back to take this purple. I'm gonna make it a little bit, looks like a little brown. And on this side, work into the smaller shape. Good. Like that. And now working into the toes. It has much warmer because the light through the gap of the toes, it looks light. So I'm going to come here and create a little warm shape. Here you go. Now down here it's a little bit darker. Here you go. That's good. Now we'll walk into this side. This side a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna, that is also warm. A red color. Okay, I'm come here. Coming here and suggest it. The toes. You can see the nails too. Like this. A little bit blue color. They have this separation because this is the termination line, and a little bit darker. And good with that on this side. And we're going to come back to do a little more to the toes on this leg. I'm going to have this a little bit lighter for the nail. Softer. It's a little bit change. It helps. On this side of the toes, I'm going to give a little bit suggestions for the whole shape. Okay. The little small toes. Here you go. I'm going to make it a little bit darker for the shadow right here. This need a little bit darker over here. Good. Right under here. Let it gradually coming through. And here give a little separation. So I'm gonna make underneath here a little bit darker. Okay, that's good enough.
It's great. Now the painting is close to finish. Next, I'm gonna do another round of adjustment and balance between different areas in the painting.